Here we are at the Salty Seagulls. And look at how awesome I look. I look so awesome.
Just pick one. Let it go.
Hold. Incognito, you don't want your butt shown and stuff. You hold it.
Brennan, I don't know how to put it back. Brennan, this isn't for me. I'm not doing this. You can do this. It's not gonna be fun. Take your damn thing. It's just right here. I don't hold this thing. I don't do this. It's not my channel.
Why do you do that?
Look at that. It color matches.
Is this a practice one? I better practice on it. I lost last round, which is strange because I never lose. How come I'm always stuck holding the everything? Ping, tip, and zing. Here, hold this. Let me practice the shot. Practice the shot. Okay. Sorry. Are you gonna shoot? Is it in the hole?
Yes.
What?
You guys missed my hole in one.
Beautiful.
Starting already. Outstanding.
Okay. Hold this then if you already put it in the hole.
What?
You did not put it in the hole.
No, it's behind the rock.
Hold it.
No.
Hold it.
That's bad.
I'll hold it.
Jesus Christ.
Did she?
She doesn't want anything to drink. I said, I'm not tying one out at the golf course tonight. She's like, yeah,
Why is
okay.
it so cold out?
Because it's windy. Is that the seagull I keep hearing?
Yes.
He's salty. Let her rip, Tater Chip.
You ready for this?
I've been waiting all day for it. 3-hour drive is well worth it. Oh, look at that. It's in the hole.
Not.
Son of a biscuit. Well, so grab the card, make yourself useful.
Okay. There's no pencil.
It's in my pocket.
This is how
It's
you
my
do it.
finger.
Remember, my goal for this trip is hole one. At least one
Yeah,
hole
this
on
one's-
every course.
This one should be easy.
So I did it once on the last one. That ain't gonna work. Man, there's a lot of rolls.
No.
Yeah, I know.
There's a lot of rolls. This is pretty nice though.
I'll sink this in.
I gotta admit. Just sink it in there.
You wanna pull this up quick?
Oh, I will pull it up when the ball goes there. You gotta, don't you know how to play golf? You like this, and then you go once the ball gets there, if it's close. It wasn't close, so I didn't pull it out. I think I see it.
Jesus, why did you come here?
There you go. Ooh, see?
Okay.
Turned cold, didn't it?
Yeah.
Why is it so cold out all of a
I
sudden?
don't know, but I hope I can still get a tan.
You think you're gonna get a tan? Uh-oh. I should have removed the flag. So angry. I'm gonna drop mine. You got a straight line shot. You want me to drop it? I'm taking a drop.
Taking a drop?
Can't take a drop.
You're taking it. Yeah, you can't take a drop when you're on the.
Taking it in a stroke.
You're on the green.
Big shot.
Where you head? Here it comes. Take it in, Trent. This green's got a lot of roll to it. Got a lot of roll to it. I wish I had a sweater. Where's the scorecard? You got it?
Yeah.
Here. That's gonna be pretty funny. Blue for me. Oh my. You gotta make it over the water over there, Alyssa. Hope you like swimming.
Yeah, I hope you like this can.
People are over walking their dog.
Oh, yeah.
How many times you gonna?
Oh my god.
How many times you gonna hit it before you hit it? I think we need to hug. Hey, way to go!
I'm gonna kill myself.
Why do you keep saying stuff like you know we got a microphone?
Yeah, I know. And I hope
Look at this sad tree. Man, it's got icicles hanging off of it. You see that, Trent? It's got icicles hanging off the pine cone. You see that?
Okay, bird, we get it.
Yeah,
Oh, the wind's probably the microphone.
This hole doesn't.
You know, Dad? The wind's probably going
Way to go!
all over the mic.
I'm gonna hold it. Can somebody mark me down for my two? Okay. Nice. Nice two. 2-2 Magoo. Oh. Man, former champion coming from a win. Oh, you know what I think the problem is that you're using a real putter instead of one of them rubber chips. Like Alright, let me show you.
Oh,
Nice. Did you get that on?
I got it, I
Did you get
think.
that on the gnome? Oh, no. Hang on. Well, you know it. There you go.
Oh, right to my dog.
gotcha. Oh wait, it's over here. I already apologized for that.
Oh my goodness. That's... Whoa.
I still haven't got my one.
Okay, hey, it's my turn. Hold this.
Hold this for me to walk away.
You feel the wind? That's the
Pull it
problem.
right away. You weren't paying attention to which way the flag was going.
Nice.
There you go.
That's
Here. Two. Did you get two?
You're gonna cuddle up next to these rocks.
Shot. Frostbite. Watch out, there's a hobo on the boat.
I'm gonna hit it. I better not.
Man, you really whacked it. Why did he Is there residual heat from earlier today in the sun? There's two balls and it's just two rocks. Which way are you going? You going through the rough? Oh wow, you went right through the rough. Come back around. I gotta get a hold of it.
He's gonna get all in one.
Okay.
Let me just sink it right in. Two. Go ahead, sweetie.